PBM Falcons! Ngayong araw po ay i-recognize natin ang mga batang pinakamagagaling sa larangan sa signaturang Mathematics. Ito po ay may kinalaman sa ginalak po natin grade level quiz day noong last week po ng January. Okay po, para po sa grade 7, third place, Ezekiel Roy M. Almazan from section Adelpa.
Sir Nauman. Diyan lang, Juan.
Second place.
Diyan lang.
Jeremy V. Ramos from Special Science Class. And the first place, Lian R. Osano from Special Science Class.
Ang mga nanalo para sa grade 8 level. Third place, from Mahogany, Mabel S. Pabe. Second place, Samantha D. Ruiz from Gemelina. And the first place, or champion, Princess Jillian V. Alvarez from Special Science Class. Palakpakan po natin ang ating grade 8 learners. Congratulations!
Po sa grade 9, third place, Jefferson V. Rosales from grade 9 Sagittarius. Second place, from grade 9 Aquarius, Alvin P. Aguiliana. And for the first place, Mark Vincent C. Abortae of grade 9 Aquarius.
Smile!
Thank you for grade.
Good morning for grade 10. Third place, from section Carnelian, Princess Jolene E. Olita. Second place, from section Garnet, RJ Carlo J. Egnes. And the first place, from section Beryl, Shelo S. Cordova. Congratulations.
Good morning po. Para naman po sa Senior High School Department. Fourth place, Jeremy D. Pilayo from 11 ABM. For the third place, Daniel P. Tolentino from 11 STEM. for second place sa Pika Putahe from 11 STEM. And for the first place, Edjan P. Lucero from 11 Sports. Congratulations.